Alright, we're still at Fort Popham, and this is a spot where they used to have the cannons, and of course it overlooked all the water here. Got some boats way out there. Wow. Full of seagulls. Look at them. It's a lot of seagulls. And we get here with some more of the boats in the water. Look at that, there was a really nice pier here. You get to see some of the history. Got some boats. And a little bit of the wind. Wind will make videos a little blurry here. Look at that, isn't that cute? I like that one. And we're still making our way up to the fort. Still going up. Well, can't even see the fort here. Take you back to some of the boats. Nice lobster boats. And a pier that used to be. I think that's why they're all kind of gathered all down there where all the seagulls are. Alright, taking us right to where the Canon was to begin with. See, there's a little down in here where all the balls were. Alright, hope you enjoyed my bringing it to you. Just some more of the outside before we get to the fort and get inside. Alrighty, stay tuned for more. Bye-bye now.